Hey there! Today, we're showing you how to take care of your lawn and keep it HOA friendly. Let's get started. First, mowing your lawn regularly is key to keeping it neat and tidy. Always mow your lawn to the appropriate height, usually around 2 to 3 inches for most grass types. Water deeply but less frequently, about an inch per week. Early morning watering helps prevent brown patches, mold, and fungi. Apply fertilizer at the right time spring and fall using a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to promote healthy growth and vibrant color. Weeds can quickly overtake your lawn and lead to HOA complaints. Regularly pull weeds or use eco-friendly weed control to keep your grass looking pristine. Use a trimmer or edgier to define the borders between your lawn, sidewalk, and flower beds. Clean edges add a polished look and show you care about your yard. Don't let your lawn get too overgrown or unkempt, especially during rainy seasons. Overgrowth can be an immediate red flag for HOA violations. Keep your yard neat by trimming shrubs, picking up leaves, and removing debris. A well-maintained yard prevents HOA violations and boosts curb appeal. Follow these tips to keep your lawn beautiful and HOA friendly. A little upkeep ensures compliance and enhances your home's appeal. Thank you for watching.